Yes. Now we'll see. I stick to the coding process. So I'm coming back again alone. So we'll see. Um, for what we have discussed until last video, it's around the length. We can able to give the formulas with respect to the other parameter value. So I want the length value is associated with the width. So here, if I want the length is the half the times of the width, it will automatically get updated. If the width is around 7 feet, the length will automatically gets updated. It's 8 feet, it's 4 feet. Like that, it will get updated. You can give multiply, or you can give addition, or you can give whatever you want based on your requirement, and it will automatically gets updates to our family as well. For now, if I am pressing around by giving around the length is around only 2 feet, width is only 1 feet. It will automatically gets updated. So the same thing if you insert to distance to our travel, we can able to update the same. If you want to edit the length around the width is automatically changed. If you change the width around the 4, length is automatically changed. So this is how a parametric constraints work, and we'll try now for the custom made families with the same rectangular cube family. We'll try to create one table. It will be easy. In a table, we have the plywood at the top and the four leg. We'll make it as simple, and we'll go to the front view. Of course, we need the table height is around the 2 feet, distance, and we can create another reference plane, and we have to give dimensions to the reference plane, and we can create one new label and called the thickness of the plywood, thickness of the plywood. I want the plywood thickness is around 2 inch, and using this rectangular cube, and rocket align using the align it. I'm aligning it and I'm locking it. If I'm not locking it, it won't get updated while we are changing the parametric value. So always align with your parametric value. Okay. Now I'm going back to the floor plan view. I want the width is around the 4 feet, and I have to edit that parameter value. Again, I don't want that it to be linked with this 4 means. Let me try, and this by divided by five, maybe 2.23. it will work. If I change the width is around the 6 feet, it work. Okay. Now the plywood has been created, top of the table. You can see in 3D. I want the 4 legs to be created. Then go to reference level and create new extrusion. Create one rectangle here with around the 4 by 4 inch. Here, 4 by 4 inch. Giving dimension here itself. While giving dimension, always take line to line instead with any other element. See, this one is the table. This one is the leg. Leg is currently we are drawing. We have to select the pink line, not the full line. If you press the tab, pink line only select it. Give the dimension, tab it, give the dimension. Okay. Now we have to create one new parameter for the leg thickness. Leg thickness. Okay. You will try changing it 2 inch. It's working fine. Now I'm pressing finish. Now the table leg has to attach at the bottom of the table, right? I'm checking in front view. See, it was not getting attached. To attach it, I'm aligning AL, aligning at the bottom reference line to the and lock it leg. Now I'm trying to change the table height around 4. Now it's working fine. Okay. I'm going back to the floor plan view and it's nothing is good. And let me quickly. If I want 4 legs to be there, so I'm copying it. This one here, this one maybe move it and we and this one copy and then here moving it to the same. Now let me see in 3D. Now fine, but let me try checking in height around 40. See, only that leg is getting changed, attached. All other legs also we have to attach it. For that, we can go to the front level or the front. I'm aligning with the bottom line. The lock it, aligning. 2 legs got locked. Another leg is also there. This one, AL, aligning. This back leg also lock it. Now let me try changing the height of the table around the 266 inch. Now it was getting good. Let me check the color. Pink color. Okay. Now I want the table is working properly. If I change the width, I change the width in parameter. Let me change the width around 4 feet. That's okay. Okay, it is working. Let me check the leg size because it was looking too big. Around the leg thickness is 2 inch, maybe 1 inch, maybe 1 inch. Okay, it's working. Now height also I need to check. It's fine to check. Leg thickness is around 2 inch. It's okay. Slide thickness is 2 inch. Okay. Okay, let me give some materials to apply it under the legs. For that, I'm giving some material. I have already created some materials here for you guys. Let me create some fresh. So height, length, whatever the parameters we created, it was coming under the dimension. If we go to new parameter again, now I am going to give as material and under group, I have to give material information and data type is for the material. Then only they will get work and I'm giving okay. Now material has been coming here. I have to give two different material. I want to give one for plywood, one for the legs. Let me edit this one. Material of ply, okay, and I'm giving and I'm creating new parameter leg material. Right there. Okay. Length. If I give the length, leave it as it is, only changing here, it will come like this one. You can't able to assign any material here. So always try to give check the data type. Okay, let material and the data type into the materials and material things is automatically coming and okay. So two materials has been created. Okay. For easy understanding, I'm creating one new project. Control project has been created. Let me load into the project to the new project. I'm closing the table, going into 3D view. Now I'm trying to change the table size, which is around maybe 2000. Height is around 1000. Okay, now it is changing. It is working fine. Leg thickness is around 75. Working fine. Side thickness is around maybe 30 plate. Okay, it's working. Now I am giving the leg material here. You have to go to this three dots here and here if you change, it won't get effect because in this family we haven't assigned which material is for which. We have simply created here leg and material plywood and we have loaded our product there. But we need to, for the plywood, I'm clicking the plywood and I'm assigning the material for the plywood, associate the family parameter. This is a small box. We have to associate to the material of the plywood we have created in the parameter. Okay. Now I'm selecting all the legs and I'm associating this material to the leg material. Okay. Now I load into project. Okay. Overriding business in 3D. I press this one. I go to edit type. I change the leg material into somewhat. I want black color for the leg. I'm giving. For the material, let me check here. We can say we can go there. Okay, our material also is getting applied to our family. This is how we have to create one family with the custom parameters and material finishes applied to the family. That's it. Thank you.